Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 BMW X3 xDrive35i. This one's black. Under the hood is a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-6 pushing out 302 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloy wheels. Black interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, got a power lift gate, all season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside here, got a keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera with sensors, new climate zone, heated seats, radio, automatic transmission, our buttons for our media center. This X3 has 114,704 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this X3, check out feldmannimports.com.